Puerto Rico, or whatever I fucking call them. This extra shit, man.
What's the extra shit, Clancy?
He's not just like, fucking, yeah! Like, flips over like, yeah! Like,
yeah, I know,
slaps her ass, yeah! He's like, oh, banana.
Oh, banana.
It's about having sex.
Okay, don't take my tips then. Fucking keep fucking the same way.
You get the best tips from girls, so I don't know where you're going with this.
I hope your dick likes it.
My dick does like it. Fucking
okay, but the chick doesn't like it as much as your dick likes it.
Who cares? Then I'll get another one.
Fucking, you know what happens when you fuck a chick the way she likes it? She comes back.
Yeah.
I know, I don't fuck girls.
She calls your ass up and says, hey, Vince,
fuck me again.
And she doesn't even say, hey, do you want to go to Tim's? She just says, come over. All she says, come over. You fucking do the same shit again, and then eventually, like,
what is this shit? That's amazing shit you're talking about to do to girls.
Oh my god. I don't even know.
You said exotic. What's exotic?
Exotic.
What's exotic?
Hernandez Bonitos.
What would Hernandez Bonitos, whatever.
He would, like, whisper. He would, like, fucking twist around.
Fabio.
Yeah.
Obviously, I don't just, like, fucking thrust in one position.
He would, like, do it at different speeds. Like, fucking...
Obviously, you don't go fast and then blow your load. You go fast and you slow it down, then you go slow and then you go fast.
No. He'd be, like, all slow and be like, oh, my bonitos.
Oh, buenos noches.
I like to eat burritos.
I like to eat